Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome to the Civil Academy. Cement. The word sounds familiar, right? Everyone must have used this building material at least once in their entire lifespan. So today we will learn about the chronological development of cement. Cement, as we know, is a binding material. Before going into the details of cement, let's discuss some of its historical binding material. The existence of cement dates back to around thousands of years, which we can say is around 12,000 years. The majority of our historic monuments are built in stone and brick. These monuments used various sorts of binder to hold the various masonry sections together. Moving on, if we see this map, some of the important places where various binding materials were used in the past, we can mark over here as Rome, Turkey, Israel, Egypt. We will discuss this one by one in the coming slides. The Egyptian mixed mud and straw to bind dried bricks. Also, in the construction of the pyramids, lime and gypsum were used. You can see a man using this mud and straw. Here the use of gypsum you can see. Even sometimes bitumen has been used as binder in the past significantly. Here we can see a picture of use of bitumen. Then the Romans used pozzolanic materials quite significantly in the past from Pozzoli, that is in Italy. Few examples are the Appian Way, the Roman bath, the Pantheon in Rome, etc. Here I would like to highlight a point that although pozzolanic materials were prevalent in the past, but people use it accidentally. But nowadays, when we think about pozzolans, we can find various kind of pozzolans like fly ash, silica fume, rice husk, etc. So, the use of limestone, bitumen, pozzolanic material, etc. are obviously a forerunner to the development of Portland cement. Many individuals have used different variations of cement in the past, such as John Smeaton. John Smeaton is essentially known as the first civil engineer, or you can say is known as the father of civil engineering. Everyone mention below in the comment box why he is called as the first civil engineer. The word is emphasized on civil engineer. John Smeaton identified the compositional requirements needed to obtain hydraulicity in lime, thus leading to the origination of Portland cement. He discovered that the calcination of clay-containing limestone produced hydraulic lime, that is, a type of lime that hardened under water. He also found that the one which had a large proportion of clay matter as a impurity gave the best properties as a lime mortar. This can be compared with present day cement. As we know, it is prepared by mixing the limestone and clay, which is burnt together at very controlled condition. Moving on, the third Eddy lighthouse was designed by him in the 18th century. This is a photograph of Eddystone Lighthouse. In this construction of the lighthouse, he invented a method combining blocks of granite and the use of hydraulic lime. There are several scientists working on different types of cement as in 1796, Parker's cement, which is also often known as Roman cement, was created by James Parker of England by calcining clusters of impure limestone that contain clay. Then in 1812 to 1813, a Frenchman named Louis Briquet created synthetic hydraulic lime by calcining clay and limestone together. This can be said as the first precursor to the Portland cement that we know today. Then Joseph Aspirin, a bricklayer from Leeds, is credited for inventing Portland cement. He mixed limestone and clay and then burnt it at high temperature to form a very important material for construction that is mentioned over here as cement. Aspirin used the beehive kiln where these raw materials were stacked with coal and burned for numerous days. Here you can see a beehive kiln. Beyond this, it's unclear whether aspirin cement is similar to what is currently referred to as Portland cement. Unfortunately, we are unable to determine whether he achieved temperature high enough for clinkering to take place or not. However, the grey color he obtained might indicate that he did achieve some form of clinkering. He used the name Portland to emphasize that this cement, which is grey in color, can be used to create artificial stones that resemble Portland stone, a very well-known building stone at that time. We can see a picture of Portland stone over here in Dorset, England. And after that, he received a patent for Portland cement on 21st October 1824. A few years later, Isaac Charles Johnson did achieve the necessary clinkering temperatures, producing cement with phases which are similar to those found in modern Portland cement. In India, the first cement company was established in the year 1914 at Porbandar, Gujarat, with a capacity of 10,000 tons. At present, India is at second position in worldwide production of cement after China, which are followed by USA, Indonesia, and other countries in the world. The National Council for Cement and Building Materials, NCCBM, was founded on 24th December 1962. This premier body is under the administrative control of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. That's all for now. We will end this session with a small quote which I have read earlier somewhere. Curiosity is part of the cement that holds society together. Thank you everyone and keep learning.